Hello friends, in the quadratic equation part 1, you have learned the basics of the quadratic equation. You have also learned the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation in different conditions. In this session, you will learn to form a quadratic equation if the roots of the quadratic equation are on the different forms. Let us start the session. You have already learned that if alpha beta are the roots of quadratic equation, then the equation is x square minus bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. You have also learned that if alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Now, let you have learned that if alpha beta roots, now if equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and alpha beta are the roots of this equation, then you already know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Now considering this equation, the roots can be of the different form and you have to form the quadratic equation. Let if the new roots are 2 greater than the original roots of this equation, then you have to form what will be the quadratic equation. Then usual method is that let alpha dash and beta dash are new roots. Then alpha dash is equal to alpha plus 2 and beta dash is equal to beta plus 2. Therefore, alpha dash plus beta dash will be alpha plus beta plus 4, that is minus b upon a plus 4. You can write it as 4a minus b upon a. Similarly, alpha into beta will be alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2, that is alpha into beta plus 2 alpha plus beta plus 4, that is alpha beta is equal to c upon a plus, that is minus 2b upon a plus 4. Therefore, it will be 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to upon a. Therefore, quadratic equation will be x square minus sum of the roots, that is minus 4a minus b upon a into x plus 4a minus b minus 2b plus c upon a, that is ax is equal to 0, that is ax square minus 4a minus bx plus 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Now, The shortcut method is now for the shortcut method, since alpha new roots are alpha plus beta and it is 2 greater than this, that is let x, therefore if new roots are x, then x will be a small x plus 2, implies that x is equal to capital X minus 2. Now we will put this x is equal to x minus 2 in the original equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Then it will be a x capital X minus 2 whole square plus b capital X minus 2 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, it is a x square minus 4x plus 4 plus bx minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, equation will be ax square. Now, if x is common, that is minus 4a minus 4a minus b into x plus 4a minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, by this shortcut method, this problem can be solved very easily. Now we take the second example. In the second example, let if roots are twice of the original roots. Again, let alpha dash and beta dash are new roots. Therefore, alpha dash is equal to 2 alpha and beta dash is equal to 2 beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta dash is equal to 2 alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus 2b upon a. Similarly, alpha dash into beta dash will be 4 alpha beta, that is 4c upon a. Therefore, new equation will be x square minus sum of the roots is minus 2b upon a x plus product of root, that is 4c upon a, that is 4c upon a is equal to 0. Therefore, equation will be ax square plus twice bx plus 4c is equal to 0. Now, in the shortcut method, if x is the root, capital X is the root, then capital X is equal to twice of the original root, that is, you may assume that x is equal to twice x. Therefore, small x is equal to capital X by 2. Now we will put this small x equal to capital X by 2 in the original equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then equation will be a capital X by 2 whole square plus b capital X by 2 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, it becomes a capital X square upon 4 plus b capital X upon 2 plus c is equal to 0. Multiplying by 4, then equation you can write as ax square plus twice bx plus c, 4c is equal to 0. So you see that by shortcut method, you can form the new equation of the quadratic equation very easily. Now we take the third example. In the third example, let new roots of half of the original roots. Then again in this, let A alpha dash and beta dash are new roots then alpha dash plus beta dash, then then alpha dash is equal to half of the root, that is alpha by 2, and beta dash is equal to beta by 2. Therefore, alpha dash plus beta dash is equal to alpha plus beta by 2, that is minus twice b upon 2a. Alpha dash into beta dash is equal to alpha into beta upon 4a, that is c upon 4a. Therefore, new equation will be x square minus sum of the roots, that is minus b upon 2a into x, plus product of the root, that is c upon 4a is equal to 0. Now we multiply this equation by 4a, the equation will be 4ax square plus bx plus twice bx plus c is equal to 0. Suppose we have to form the equation by shortcut method. Then since the new roots are half of the original roots, therefore assume here that capital X is equal to small x by 2, implies that small x is equal to 2x. Now put the small x is equal to 2x in the original equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then equation will be a into 2x square plus b into 2x plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, equation is 4ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0. Then this, by shortcut method, the formation of the quadratic equation is very easy.
It is all for today. Thank you.